Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Alors, nous allons partir au... Gloire à Jésus. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Alors, nous allons partir au Congo.
Hello. Welcome, Tata David.
Cambote.
Gizambote, Tutondele. People would like to see your nice shirt. Can you just lift a bit your Congo map? Yeah. Well done. Thank you very much. Yes, with K.
Yes,
you,
with
it's
a K.
Thank
The
you
right
very
way.
much. Thank you very much. Tata, are you okay there? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. I'm going to share my file, the new one. Yes. I think we. Before I forget, let me just go back to. I'm sure Tata David got. I did send a link. Audio file, audio message. Did you get it, Tata? On let me just on the tonal language. I mean, tonal language is a language, Kikongo, but on the verb, how do you pronounce? Very subtle, Tata David. Very subtle. Where is my phone? Just, yes, this is it. Can you read it? Is it clear, visible? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So this is past. Good. Let me just test that Allen. Don't worry about the English. Just read the Kikongo bit, please.
Ngudi Wamvuluza.
One Vuluza. Well done. One Vuluza.
Wamvuluza. Ngudi Wakuvuluza.
Yakuvuluza.
Ngudi Wamvuluza.
Well done.
Ngudi Watuvuluza.
Watuvuluza.
Ngudi
Waluvuluza.
Waluvuluza. Ngudi
Wabavuluza.
Wabavuluza.
Wabavuluza. Wabevuliza. Babed. It depends on the area. Tata David, can you try to read it? Because not the issue, but it is Sato. See the first and the third, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, ingeta.
You write the same way.
Nguri wamvuluza.
Thank you.
Nguri wakuvuluza. Nguri wamvuluza. Nguri watuvuluza. Nguri waluvuluza. Nguri wabavuluza.
Oh, thank you very much. Gudi wamvuluza, wakuvuluza, one. Here, third one, nasal. You remember? Third. Nasal. One. So, you write exactly the same way.
Mm-hmm.
No different, but your tone is the meaning of the word. Gives the meaning to the word. Tutondele. Any questions, Tatane? You right?
Yeah, no question.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Let me just move to the today lesson. Today's lesson is here. Okay. Okay, we always thank Papa Tata Makonde Kwa and Professor Hezo Kata. They did a good work. That's why we are here. It's getting harder. This one, sorry, my computer is very slow. If you're watching, we thank you. Bear with us, be patient. Okay. This is the lesson 6, of course, section 5. Inceptive or not yet, verb form. Isiavo. Isiavo. Patterns. Model. So we're going to move slowly because this one's very, very hard. Okay. That you read that, David, give the answer.
Okay. Unkudiame Usinga Lwaka.
Well done.
Isyavo kana kalwakako.
Well done. Onkundiame Osinga Lwaka. Isyavo Kanaka Lwakako. In this case, the last call, acute accent, we need to apply, yes? Isyavo Kanaka Lwakako. Are you wondering? Can you tell again, Tata? When the Onkundiame Osinga Lwaka. Tata David.
Okay. Onkundiame osinga luaka.
Tata, please. The answer?
Isiavo kanakalwakako.
I'm going to read it totally. You read after me totally. Isiavo, because the question. I mean, you're wondering the tone. Oh, my friend is not going. Oh, so you mean that accent? I mean that tone. Isiavo kanagalwakako.
Isiavo kanakalwakako.
Kanagalwakako.
Kanakalwakako.
Kanagalwakako.
Kanakalwakako.
Kalwakako. Very important. Very, very critical because it's subtle, no? As soon as you go the other way, you miss your tone. You're saying something, something different from what you're reading. David, ask a question, please.
Omwana me osingaleka.
Alan?
Isiavo kanakalekako.
Well done, yeah. Isiavo kanagalekako. David, question, please. Answer.
Okay. Omwana me osingaleka.
Isiavo kanakalekako.
Kanagalekako. Can you try to?
Kanakalekako.
Kanagalekako. Isiavo kanagalekako. I know it's hard. Okay. The next one. Tata David, you ask a question. No, I mean the other way around. Tata Allen, can you ask a question, please?
Onkentuame osinga liamba.
Lamba, singa lamba.
Lamba. I don't know why I think that's an I, but lamba.
Yeah. Isiavo kanakalambako.
Isiavo kanakalambako. You wondering? Yes, because my wife. Okay, singa lamba. Oh, it's midday. It's lunchtime. What's happened? Isiavo kanakalambako. Tata David, please.
Omwana me osingajia.
Isiavo kanakadiako.
Isiavo kanakadiako. Tata again. Can you just repeat that sentence, please? Isiavo kanakadiako.
Isiavo kanakadiako.
Yeah, this is proper grammar. Okay. We don't need to go far. I mean, just going back, we need to apply our grammar. Let us change. Let me just move to the next slide, see if I can change something. Osedian Osinga. Okay. Tata, question, please.
Osediame osinga kwiza.
Tata David.
Isiavo kanakizako.
Kanakezako.
Kanakezako.
Tata, can you see the change here? I mean, here. This is some verbs are like this. Quiza, then keza. You change here. The change. Kana keza. I don't know why. I can't explain it. Kana keza. Tata David, ask question, please.
Omono isinga kota.
Isiavo kanakotako.
Well done. Isiavo kanakotako. Yes. Well done. Omono isinga kota. Isiavo kanakotako. Okay. Take note, Tata. Plural, Tata. Tata David, question?
Yeah, I don't remember seeing this form of I am before, so this must be because it implies the future.
You mean I am Omono, you mean?
Yeah.
Omono, Me, yeah? It means me, yes. Omono. I didn't get your question, David. The
Yeah.
first line
Okay.
is Omono me is me. Yeah? Omono singa kota. Mm. Of course, if I understand your question, David, the verb be to be is not there. Omono, both I and the verb to be is there. Mm, you're right, yeah.
Can I ask a question? So, in this case, do you pronounce the O or do you? Is it just Omoni Singa or do you?
Omono,
Okay,
yes.
Mono. Okay.
Omono is singa kota. Of course, you can, you mean last O.
Yeah, the last O. Yeah.
Yeah, you could, because you have two vowels, see? O and I. When you're talking, it doesn't sound, it's just mute. Omoni singa, moni. Hmm? Omono is singa, it's fine. Omoni singa. Okay. Take note, Tata Ellen, Tata David. We're going to do some changes here.
Okay.
We need to apply our knowledge now. Omono is singa kota. Tata Allen, you and your friends, you are going to enter. You ask a question on behalf of your friend.
Uh,
Okay, let me help. Oyeto, yeah, Oyeto, meaning
okay.
us. Oyeto, yeah.
So Oyeto Ki Yisinga.
Oyeto, sorry, Oyeto.
Is it
Remember,
Oye?
singer, is me, is one first person.
Yeah. So is Oyeto
I know you know it. T, begin with T. Yeah, go.
Tisinga Kota.
To singer kota, yeah,
Oh,
to
Tusinga
singer kota.
Kota. Okay.
To
Okay.
singer kota. Remember
Yeah.
your, are you okay?
Yeah. No. No. I see. I see. I got it.
Yeah, your will is a singer. Singer is
Yeah.
your will in English. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I, in this case, we say in Congo, is your first person. Mm. Of course, I as well. That David, question.
No, I get that part, but the very could you just say a shorter version of the sentence and say Tusinga kota, meaning
Oh yeah, yeah, you
we're
could say that.
going to
You could say,
enter.
yeah, you could say that. It's fine, correct. Yeah.
Mhm. But if we want to say the we and accentuate the we, instead of saying omono, what would be the first word of the sentence then?
We, to singa kota.
Mieto, okay.
Oyeto. Remember your suffix. Eto, ame, aku,
Hmm.
andi, eto, eno, au. Tatane, do you remember that?
Yeah, I do. Even though I'm getting a little bit confused
That
there. Yeah.
suffix very critical. I mean, we can't. There's no correspondence. I can't remember. We say pronoun, but we call it according to the linguists. They call it the possessive in Kikongo. I mean, because the way it's applied and it's very flexible. Oyeto. The suffix is eto.
Right.
Yeah,
So,
you could. Sorry.
no, I was gonna say. So, what is the which pronoun is possessive? The yeto.
Yeah, we don't call it a pronoun, possessive pronoun. We just call it possessive in Kikongo. I mean, according to linguists, because
Okay.
it's not used as the same as in European language. So oyeto to singa kota. Tata David, you are not out of the hook yet.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Tata
fair.
among the crowd, his friend is saying that oyeto. You could say you could omit y. You could say oeto. In my area, I say eto. some areas. Obeto, but Oyeto, Oyeto to Singa Kota, we. Then Tata Alan, Tata David, sorry, ask a question. Isiavo,
Okay, for which pronoun?
remember Tata David here, Tata Alan here.
Mm-hmm.
Oyeto, sorry.
Oyento to Singakota.
Oyeto to Singa Kota. Tata Alan, yeah, is with his friends among the crowd. Then Tata David asking a question. Isiavo kana you many?
Oh, okay, yeah.
The question would be
Lusinga Kota.
yeah, let's see Tata Alan. What would be the question, the answer?
How would I answer it?
Yeah, would you answer if you were, I mean, if you were Tata David anyway, because the question was yours. If you say Isiavo kana. Don't worry, it's hard. Let me just try to display my phone. Isiavo kana kalukotako.
What?
Let me display. Don't worry, Tata. Let me display my phone. Where is my phone? Oh, I can't find it. No, it should be here. Okay, I can't find it. Okay, anyway. You just add Isiavo. Oh, wait, I lost it. Sorry. Isiavo kana kal. We just adding two syllables. K-A-L-U. Let me write it on private because it's, I can't find my phone. Can you see Kalu?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Kana Kalu Kotako. The K A in Ka is the double negative we call at the end. The Lu, Tata David, can you tell me what is Lu?
No, Lou is the plural you.
Yes, okay.
So here's
Because
a question: do you still have to say kana, or are we saying kalu kotako?
we keep it. We keep it Kana. We put the Kalu between Kota and the Kana in between.
Okay.
Are you there? Are you with me? Kana Kalu Kotako. Yes, Tata.
All right.
I can't display my file. Let me just try to.
Yeah, so we're adding two syllables to kota. So it's still kana, but
Yeah.
Kalu
Between
kotako.
Kana and Kota, we have a Kalu. Kalu. Tata, it is hard, I know. Because Kalu. Let me just try to. I can't find it here. Let me try to display my word file on. To make it easy. It's freezing. Okay. Isiavo kana Kalu Kotako. Okay, Tata David, Tata Allen, sorry. Them. Remember, we just adding Kalu between Kana and Kota. We have a Kalu, which is the second plural. What would be the first plural, Tata Allen?
Is it Ngina?
We have a Kana. Let me just display it. So I know it's hard. It's very.
Oh, the first person you is
Yes.
is that
First
Wuna?
plural. First plural.
Oh, first plural.
Yes.
Luna.
This is your second plural.
The
Oh,
Katu.
oh, first plural.
Yes,
Katu
katu.
Kotako.
Well done, yeah. Well done.
And
Tatale.
for them, it would be Kaba Kotako, right?
Oh, bravo, Tata David. Let me just stop this one. Tatale. I'm sure you know that. Don't worry. Don't,
Man,
it's
I'm
coming,
bad
it's
with
coming,
that.
Tatale. Can you see it, Tatale?
Yeah, there we go.
Between Kana, let me see if I can.
No, I see. I see. Okay.
This
I see
car,
that. I see that through the loo. Okay, I see.
this
Okay.
car, Tatale, this car is your KA. Car, it is double negative. This car goes with the ko at the end, see?
Mm-hmm.
Katu kota ko. Mm, mm.
So is that ba interchangeable with be or no?
Well, yeah, yes.
Same thing.
Some
Okay.
you can say, but it depends on region.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
I
Okay.
mean, the way Kikongo is written is, I mean, it's there. It's not moving. Okay, you could write the two with kota as one word, yes? Can you see? Mm. Ka to kota ko. You could make it one
But
word.
even, do I understand you correctly that even if you're from the region where people would say Kabe Kota, they'll still understand you if you say Kaba.
No problem.
Mhm.
Because some people would say instead of saying katukota, they say ketukotako. See,
Mhm.
ke o ka. Tataling. Question. Let me try to display it here. This computer's freezing. Mm. Kana. You're right, Tataling. Kana. It's optional. I mean, you're not obliged to say kana. Mm. You just say katukotako. You know what you mean. Katu. Let me just put it.
I think that's what I was asking earlier. If we have to say kana.
Yes, because we are in. I mean, in this sense, in this instance, we have to say Kana because these are the lesson.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, this is the lesson. We're just following the written. What is written? Oh, sorry, I'm a bit. Can you hear me? Issue with my internet this time. You can hear me. You can hear. You can hear me totally. Yeah.
Yes, we can hear
Yes.
you.
Okay. I think we should we should stop there. We're coming next time. We're going back to the same lesson. Tata Allen, did you get it?
Yes.
Remember, Ka. Uh, uh, my computer is gone. Ka katukotako. That two tu make it. If you make it one word with kota, help you to understand. Ka, the first ka is for the first ka goes with the last one.
Mhm.
Double negative.
Yeah.
Tata,
You know, yeah, I got it.
katukotako. Then guess what? Positive will be kota to kota. Kota to kota.
Hmm.
You're just repeating kota.
So it's like okay. So this would be similar to like when we say like the you saying the double negative like kadiambuko, similar to that.
Well done. Yeah. Kajambuko, yes. Yes. Mm. If I ask you, okay, good question. If I ask you, Lunama Vimpi, I mean, just for the sake of exercise, if you were unwell, what would be your answer, Tata? Lunama Vimpi, Tata.
Ka kamavimpiko.
Yeah, you missed one thing very important. You have it there.
Oh,
Katuna.
Katuna. Katuna
Mavimpiko.
Mavimpiko.
Yes. Katuna Mavimpiko. Some people would say Katuna Mavimpiko. So David. Yeah. You're right? Okay.
Yeah.
We go slowly. Luna Mavimpi. Okay, tell David, over to you. Just for the sake of our lesson. You are well if I ask you, Tata David, Luna Mavimpi.
And if I say Katuna Vimpiko.
Yes, Katuna
Then I'm
Mavimpi.
not well.
Yes.
We're not well.
Yes. Okay, Tata Ale, question. We talk about them. Benama Vimpi,
I'm sorry, can you repeat?
Third plural. If I ask about them, Benama Vimpi. So if you answer on their behalf, negative. Yeah. Kabena, yeah.
Kabena Mavimpi go.
Yes, correct. Yes. Okay. Let us call it today. Well done. Yes. So Kikongo. This is Kikongo. Well done. You're doing well. Okay. If you have time, 7 p.m. today, it's Kikongo talk show. Very good program. Tutondele. Tuyangalele. Okay, we are off next Sunday.
Right, for Easter.
Easter Sunday. Tatana, yes? Questions? Tatana, any questions? Tatana?
No questions.
Katunama Vimpiko. Kabenama Vimpiko. Kalunama Vimpiko. You many. You are not well. Kalunama Vimpiko. Tutondele. Luenda Gambote.
Salakambote.
Thank you.
Kietu yangani kawauko iwao bongele meso mwene isibuli matu umwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mjikasi Congo diatungwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mjikasi Congo diatungwa
Pipa narra uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade. Havia muito renato, havia muita felicidade. Vivíamos dentro da lei, Paulo do reino do Congo, Ninha Luqueni era o rei. Habitava em Banda Congo, em companhia do outro rei. Pode chamar de Todila, se esquecendo uma máquina pra vida. Nos chama de Yalangu, carrego o Columbimbi, essa imagem me identifica. Banda Congo, a minha terra, a minha mãe, o meu coração. Olha que nos fala mal, peço liberta da maldição. Origem todos para Congo, como diz o velho ditado, com malogrado de talento. Eu irei devoltar, mas a questão ainda é esperar. Eu sou filho do Quimba, falo do Mwanza até Ebela. Onde que vende Kikongo, tu entrava na tenda Congo, Lovana Sanda, o Mono e Fuanda. Luísa em Panguizeto, eu tô onso, Tatuque Congo. Tala é Kinkuluqueto que ainda em sangue, como Zabimba. E Mwana Congo, Caleguese, Songengango e Kinkuluquiaco. Arrima do Cojojola, arrima do Cojojola. Sou pai do Emerson King.
Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi bikasi Congo diatungwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi bikasi Congo diatungwa
ficará marcado na memória. Se o jogo já está no fim, agora cheguei, vou vos dar vitória. Que Mavunga é minha terra, banda sagrada para todo mundo. Para o vosso consciente, cortei a corrente, voltei bem quente e diferente. Instalei um circuito fechado, muitos tentaram, lhes deu errado. Como diz o belo ditado, a Congo não folha, mas sim atrasa. Tata, moana, eu sou pai, então não se engana. Se o poder não se dá, a cultura banto não se esquece. Terra do mano em Totila, quem conhece Nini e Alukeni. Ou melhor, Zingankuvu, Mama Kimpavita. Terra dos assimilados, Afonso I, Simão Kimbangu, Pulumbinga Lando Vitor, Antônio Dembo, Tetelando Tabessa Manguana. Terra de Makuta Mkondo, Yaniki Ngobo e Tatangana. Onde fica mercado do Luvo, Pulumbimbi e o Yalanku. Pedra do Fitizo e também a ponta do padrão. Os falos de Mbanza Congo, o patrimônio mundial da cultura. General sem passadores. Mapuntuala, Tata Mandila Massanda, Moana Cassanda de Mbau, Kimafundo, Uasa.
Que no luvo vangavo Congo diafwa, que no luvo vangavo Congo diafwa. Bizata la kwenwe, que ya la kuru, bizata la kwenwe, que kulumbi mikasi Congo diatumba.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Kulumbimbi em Mbanza onde está.
Agradecemos a todos aqueles que preservam a cultura nacional. A Sua Excelência Governador da Província do Zaire, ao Conselho de Ancião e o seu responsável do Lumbo, Afonso Mendes, Papá Matalulu, Farmácia Salaquaco, chefe de beste, a FEPRO, elenco do 6, do Budulama todo, com luta muito socorro.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Kulumbimbi em Mbanza onde está.